After months of negotiation and some political back and forth, a second round of stimulus payments are on the way. This video is going to tell you exactly how much you could expect to receive from the government in this second round of coronavirus relief. Hi, I'm Troy Sharp, CEO of Oak Harvest Financial Group and Certified Financial Planner Professional. If you're a single individual and you have an adjusted gross income of $75,000 or less, you're going to receive a check for $600. If you're a married couple with income of $150,000 or less, you're going to receive a check for $1,200. Children under the age of 17 and under, are also eligible for $600 checks apiece. This means that a family of four with an adjusted gross income of $150,000 or less could receive up to $2,400 in this second round of stimulus payments. Now, you want to make sure that you filed your 2019 tax return or at least your 2018 tax return. If you've done that and the government has your banking information on file for direct deposit, you will see this money automatically directed into your bank account. For those of you that have not filed your tax return, for those of you that the government does not have your information, you will not receive this money. So it's important, if you qualify, that they have ability to contact you. They need an address so they can mail you the checks, which will be a slower way to receive the money, or your bank account information so they can directly deposit into your account. If you have benefits and you have no income, you qualify. They need to have your information. If you are an American citizen married to a foreign national, there has been some changes made to this bill where both of you can now receive this stimulus check if you qualify based on the income limits. So to recap, you want to make sure that your 2019 or 2018 tax return is filed, that they have a way to contact you. If not, the income limits are $75,000 for a single individual, $150,000 for a married couple. Dependent children 17 and younger are able to receive a $600 check apiece. We've put a calculator in the description of this video to help you calculate exactly how much money you could receive from this second round of stimulus payments. Now, the timing of when you'll receive them is a little bit up in the air right now. Treasury Secretary Mnuchin says that if your bank account is on file, they could begin to deposit funds into your bank account as soon as next week. Some policy experts are saying that it could be a couple of weeks before this money actually goes out. The quickest way to receive it is to make sure that they have your banking information and direct deposit will occur. There's nothing at all that you have to do. Now, for business owners, there's some good news in this legislation as well. If you receive PPP funds, the prior rules look like you are not going to be able to deduct the expenses that you use those funds to pay for to keep your business afloat during the coronavirus pandemic. This bill seems to allow businesses to take deductions for the expenses such as rent and payroll when they receive the funds from the PPP program that help their businesses stay afloat. I know many of you have been through tremendous struggle this year, not just personally, but small business owners, and using this money to help pay your employees, keep them employed, pay your rent, keep your business running. This news that you're going to be able to deduct the expenses that you incurred is excellent news because we all need a little bit of extra help during this coronavirus pandemic. Now, there also seems to be some good news for businesses that had losses during the coronavirus pandemic. There's another round of PPP funds coming that if you can prove you had operational losses, you could receive another loan from the PPP program. So good news for those businesses that have been the hardest hit, that have struggled the most during the past 9, 10, 11 months. Please share this video with someone you know so they can understand how this new round of stimulus checks works, how much they'll receive, and they can do their own calculation and know when to receive their money. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and we'll see you again real soon.